What's good everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be taking us through on how to get started with the Interlink Airdrop. Okay, so we have a lot of mining apps here that you can participate in to make money. So you see we have the Xenia wallet airdrop, we have a lot. So you can just come over to my Telegram channel to get access to all the links here. So you see the mining apps we are presently participating in. So for today's video, I'll just be taking us through on how to get started with the Interlink. So let's just click on Interlink here. So here we have the guide on how to go about that. The first thing you have to do is you have to register with the link. So once you register, then you have to go ahead to like download the app. So you see register here, download the app, then you have to create a wallet, scan your face, click on the human icon, then click on referral. So you must bind this referral code to get 1,500 worth of the ITLG token. Okay, so that's the last task you'll be doing. You just have to like be coming here every day to claim. So you'll be coming every 4 hours to claim the particular amount that's been mined for you. So an ITLG will be converted to ITL token in quarter 3. ITLG points will be converted to the token in quarter 3. Once you click on the link, then it will take you over to register. Then you have to download the app. So once you've downloaded the app, you have to go to create your wallet. So you have to go to create your wallet. You see presently I already created my wallet, and you see verified by face scan. So after you've created your wallet, you have to scan your face for your account to be verified. So this is just a means of verification. Then you have to go ahead to bind the referral. Just come over to your profile to do that. Come over to this your profile here. Then you have to click on referral. Okay, when you click on that, you see your referral link here to invite your friend. Then you can just go over to this human hash and just come over to submit the referral code here. So you have to submit the referral code to get 1,500 ITLG points. So you see I already binded a referral code. I was given 0.5 hash power to mine faster here. So I was given this particular amount to mine faster. I'm mining at this total speed. Okay, so let's just go back. Once you've created your wallet, then what you just be doing is you'll be coming here every 4 hours. You'll be getting a notification to mine. So just click on this mine ITLG. Okay, so once you click on that, then you see the points, the reward you'll be getting every 4 hours here. I'll be coming back in 40 minutes to claim the amount that's been mined for me. So I'll just come over here, then I'll click on this claim. So you see just in 4 hours ITLG is arriving in your wallet. Okay, so don't miss this update. This is a very good project. Just go ahead to register an account, download the app, create your wallet, scan your face, click on human icon, then you have to bind your referral code to get 1,500 ITLG points. By quarter 3, the points you get will be converted into the token for you. You can go ahead to perform transaction, either selling the amount you receive from the airdrop. So guys, that will be all for this video.